Hi, I'm James Fisher from Kingston, New York. The things that you've been thinking about doing on a job site but have been too worried just in case, it doesn't go right, you get to try it out here on the panel and see how it works out. Learning these little tidbits here that you would only learn in a school like this is amazing. I would say I definitely learned a lot more in the past couple of days than I have in the past couple of years, that's for sure.
I feel like I can ask them anything. If I'm confused in anything, I can raise my hand and they'll be like, oh yeah, and they'll explain perfectly. I'm new to this industry, so when they say something, I'm like, you can do that? They're like, oh yeah, totally, you totally can.
I have been coming here since the beginning, but the reason why I stay is because of how interactive and how willing you guys are to talk to you and understand your problem and help you figure out the exact solution that you need. When I work on my machinery, I can call up and ask. They'll send me diagrams, they'll talk me through it. I mean, great place to order from, and that's why I've never stopped.